Hello and welcome to episode 117 in the Datapack tutorial series, version 1.21. We're going to be making an infinite splash potion. Now, I'm in creative at the moment, and if I throw a splash potion, how do I throw it like that? I keep it, because that's creative. But if I'm in survival, this is a special splash potion. I still keep it. Perfect. So we have infinite splash potions. Okay, now I'm going to say an extra special thanks to Galsergi. This is one of Galsergi's from their Datapack assembler. The link is down in the description. Without their help, there is no way I would be making a video every day. So big thanks to Galsergi. If you see them around helping other people out, make sure to show them some love, upvote their comments, etc. Anyway, let's get on and build it now. Here we are in VS Code, where we normally start. Let's do the folders and files I've added. So inside my namespace function, I've added the folder potion, and we have give is inf potion, is infinity potion, and regive. Those are our functions, and we're going to be using the tick as well. Okay, so not that much today. Nice quick one. Now I can get some progress done on my adventure map, hopefully. Right, let's start with a give, I suppose would make sense, and at least we've got a potion that we can test with. So let's give at S, and let's try and remember what things are called. Splash potion. Okay, let's use namespaces as well. Let's be good. And in there, we'll have some custom data. I noticed I didn't use namespace there. Custom data, and we'll say equals. I think inf potion is a good name for it, because I don't want it to keep typing infinite. I'll make some mistakes with all those I's. And we'll have some potion contents as well. Minecraft potion contents. How do we do this? This is an equal, open and close brackets. And then we're going to say a potion. And the potion, if I do some speech marks, it's brought up a nice list of ones anyway. I think I will go for Minecraft. Healing will do. And we're done. Okay, let's do a test. Let's do a reload. Function, give, got one. Let's do a data get entity at P. That's not at P, at P. Selected item. It's lucky this is a short one with this amount of spelling mistakes. Okay, we can see it's got the custom data and it's got the contents of healing, so that's good. Okay, let's go back. Right, I think probably next would be the tick function. We want to know if one has been thrown. So I'm going to execute as any entity whose type equals potion and whose tag equals not thrown. Okay, because if it's a normal potion, we don't want to keep checking it. So we're going to tag it so it doesn't get checked again. And then we'll say if function is infinity potion. So in there, we're going to do a little check to make sure it is an infinity potion. Then we will run function regive. So we're going to give it back. But we're going to pass some information with entity S. So we're going to pass the data from the potion to the regive function, so we can use that later. Okay, that's done. Now let's go over to is infinity potion. So we're going to tag the potion, so it's not going to get checked ever again. Tag at S add thrown. If the player's in creative, we're going to fail, because if they're in creative, their potions are infinite anyway, so there's no point giving them one. In fact, it would be annoying. You'd have one potion, and then you'd have 2 and 3. It'd probably just keep going up. So let's execute on origin. So that is the person who threw it. If entity at S game mode equals creative, game mode equals creative, then we will run return fail. Now we're returning a fail, and that means our tick function is going to say if function is infinity function, we've returned a fail, it's not going to keep going. Okay, but what if it is? We want to return a a success if it is an infinity potion. So we will do return run execute if data entity at s item dot components, and then it would be in, let's see, we need a Minecraft custom data. Okay, yeah, dot infinity potion. So what it's looking for is it's looking for, does it have this? Does it have infinity potion? If that is on there, I'm pretty sure this is not even, it doesn't even care if it's true, false, green, blue, whatever. It's just saying, do you have this custom data? If you do have this custom data, where are we on infinity potion? Then that would be a success if data has it. So we'd be like, yep, I do have that. And we're going to return that yes. So now in the tick function here, we're going to get a yes come back. So if it's a potion, it doesn't have the tag, and it is our infinity potion, then we will give them another potion. So let's give them another potion. And remember here, we are passing the data from the potion, so we can use that. So regive, we're going to give a potion. So we're going to use the data, so we'll put a little $sign there. Execute on origin at s run summon an item at those coordinates. So we're executing on the origin, that's the player who threw it, at that player, so it's going to be running down at their little feet. We're going to summon an item, and let's pass it some data. The item will be, well, we copied that across, so we'll say item. We'll just grab that from the original potion, and we'll need the owner as well. And again, here we will say owner. Okay, so I think that is correct. I think they are big letters. Oh, big letters. I'm in primary school. I think they're capital letters. So let's save that. Let's go back. Let's do a reload and let's do a test. Certainly seems to be working. So I threw that right at your face then, sorry. There we go. Infinite splash potions. Nice. Just a quick one today. Thanks to Gal Sergey for the commands from his Datapack assembler webpage. And have a great day. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.